Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Rafiq. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rafiq Engineering Drawing. In this video, we will see second model or second question of projections of plane inclined to both the planes. Let us see what question says. A regular hexagon of side 30 mm is given to us, is resting by corner on HP. So as I said in the previous video also, where it is resting and by what it is resting. Edge is resting or corner is resting, you need to see, and edge or corner is resting where, in VP or in HP. So here not edge, corner is resting where, on HP, not on VP. This thing we have highlighted here. Surface making how much angle? Surface angle 45 degree to HP. Okay, draw the projections when the diagonal through the corner by which it is resting on HP is so and so 30 degree with VP. This I will come back it to later. Till here we will try to solve the problem. Okay, let us see what this question says. So I have here one hexagon available with me. Assume this is the hexagon of side 30 mm, this one. So as I said in the previous video, let's draw XY line first. Corner resting and edge resting, the diagrams comes like this. First step, see, let's try to discuss the question once again little bit in depth. So hexagon we have, assume this is HP, the corner, any one corner you take, the corner is on HP like this, it is resting by corner on HP. Okay, then this surface with respect to HP, the surface with respect to HP making 45 degree. Okay, and it is resting by one corner on HP, not by edge. Okay, one corner on HP, and we will be getting, if this is the corner, we will be getting diagonal like this. So this diagonal from this corner means like this, you assume. So this diagonal, which diagonal? The corner by which it is resting in HP, this diagonal with respect to VP, assume this is VP, the diagonal is making 30 degree like this. Okay, this is the question. So what I said earlier in the question, surface angle to be assumed in the first step, surface angle to be assumed 0 degree. Edge or side angle should be assumed to 90 degree, but this is not edge angle or side angle, this is diagonal. So diagonal angle to be assumed also 0 degree with their respective planes. Okay, let us see the first step. So if you give surface inclination 0 degree, it will be like this. So this edge inclination 30 degree, if you, sorry, not edge, this corner inclination, it is 30 degree like this. So corner inclination we are assuming 0 degree like this. So true shape of the hexagon will be visible from top. Okay, hexagon, and from front only one line will be visible to you, and the shape goes downside because of the top view. Let us see the first step. This is the first step. Okay, corner resting means this is the diagram. If it is given edge resting instead of corner, so the diagram would have been like this. The diagram would be like this if it is given edge resting, but here it is given corner resting, so the diagram is like this. Where it is resting? On HP, that's why it is here. If it is given on VP, then this diagram will become here. On VP means here, on HP means here, edge means this, corner means this. Okay, so let us remove this type of problem. Just now what I am erasing, we have done in the first model. Okay, let us try to complete this. Assuming this A, B, project all the points in front view, that is vertically upward. So join this, you will be getting front view. So this is our front view. This is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. After the D backside, E dash, then F dash. So this is front view. Now surface is making how much angle? 45 degree. So whenever you are coming to the restoration of original angles from the assumed one, always surface preference should be given first preference. Edge or side or diagonal to be given second priority or second preference. So surface first, surface angle now it is 0. Surface angle we will restore to the original question which is given, which is 45 to HP, this one. So now surface length you measure, how much it is, same length to be drawn at 45 degree. So measurement and drawing at 45 degree. Okay, now same notations we will put it here, A dash, D dash, here this distance you measure and mark it here. This is B dash bracket F dash, and then measure this distance and mark it here. It will be C dash bracket E dash. Now project all the points in the top view. As again I am saying you, projector lines should be thin, continuous, whereas front view, top view, this front view, top view, and another front view, top view should be dark. Take the projectors from here, here, and this. Now join respective points A and A. So this D belongs to this corner, and this A is for this. B, here B, so it is here. Are you getting? C and C, like this. D, D, like that. Other points. Join all A to B, C, T, E, F, again A. So this is reduced shape. Earlier it is like this. So full length we have got here to here, that is this one. Now if surface making 45 degree like this, so front view is one line at 45 degree. This is the angle 45 degree with respect to HP. And top view, if you see, this is reduced one like this. This is the front top view. This is the front view. And here the surface is at 45 degree like this. And here the top view will be like this. So it is resting by corner A on HP like this. This is the corner. Hope you are able to see. This is the corner by which it is resting. And now diagonal comes from this corner. So diagonal by which the corner is resting, this diagonal, that is this, should be with respect to VP 30 degree like this. Just rotate it at 30 degree. Here very important thing you need to keep it in your mind, that angle 30 degree is given. Generally while solving the problem, student will take it as 60 degree. So first I will do the wrong step, generally the mistake done by the students, then I will solve the correct one. Okay, let us see what is the common mistake done by the student first. So as it is given 30 degree with respect to VP, they will wrong step, right? So let us go with red color, danger. 30 degree with respect to VP, like this they will take. Then measurement they will take of this box, and this box they will transfer here at 30 degree. So this upper side here, this length here, like that, and this one here. Okay, now F and E they will measure with respect to each corners till it will come like this. Then A here, like that, A, B, C, D, E and F, and they'll complete the remaining hexagon, which is wrong. How? See here, the diagonal AD should be at 30 degree as per the question, because A is resting in HP. The diagonal from A should be at 30. Now what happens? The diagonal AD, how much it is making with respect to VP? 60 degree. So this is a thing which is wrong. So let us try to solve the correct one. Are you getting? If you take 30 and if you shift this diagram here, actual diagonal, this AD should be at 30. Now actual diagonal AD is coming at 60 degree if you do like that. So how to transfer the box? Now we will solve the correct one. So common mistake you should not repeat. You should not be in common, because we are very special. Let us see the correct one. Same we will take 30 degree only as per the question given. Measure the dimensions of the box and draw the box like this, in this pattern. Assume the numbers on the box are 1, 2, 3, 4. You should not write all those things in the exam, otherwise it will be very messy. Okay. So box I am drawing here like this, in this way. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. This box measurements I have taken here, and we have transferred the box in this way. Okay, like this. Let us erase all or else for your reference if you want I'll keep it, but you should not write all these numbers in the exam. Okay, now measure 1 to F, here comes F, then 2 to E, here comes E, like that. This is the midpoint A, and on this box length this is the D. B and C here, join all this. I don't want to come this side much because you should be able to see what is going on the board. Now project all the points A, B, C, D, E, F in the front view. So I hope you have noted this 1 to 1, 2 to 2, this box numbers. This box we have shifted like this. Now ultimately the diagonal AD now is at what angle? 30 degrees. So this is the correct procedure. Okay, now I am erasing to avoid confusion the box numbers. Generally you should also not keep in the exam. Okay, now project A. A is here, so this is your A dash. B, here B. First let us take all the lines. Okay, A over B. From here B is this one. Okay, from here B is this, and from here B is this. Join all these 2 points, B dash. And C is this line. Here where is C? This one. C is here. This C comes like this, C dash, like that. D, and here D. And now here see, you may get confused. This line, is it here or here? So you go with as per your accuracy, because you are more accurate than me, because you are doing with the exact measurement and drawing instruments. I am going randomly 30 degree all those sides, so here and there it may happen. You should not worry about it. So D, I'll assume this is the, this side is D, and here is the D. This side is E, here is the E. A, B, C, D, E, then comes F, and F somewhere here, F dash. So let us join all this, A, B, C, D, E, F, then again A. So this is resting by corner. This diagonal from this corner, resting corner A to D, is 30 degree with respect to VP. This side we have taken. Okay, so the diagram is this way, and the surface with respect to HP is making 45 degree. Okay, so this is all in this question. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you like my video, then hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. In the next video we will see third model or third type. Okay, thank you.